Do I have your permission to share this video in my online course, Human Movement Dysfunction?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so you're gonna start by laying on your back and you're gonna try to roll to your stomach, starting with your left arm.
Thumbs up.
Okay?
Okay.
Now you're gonna attempt to roll to your stomach, starting with your right arm, and try to not use any of your lower body to assist. Okay, with this roll to your stomach, you're gonna lead with your left leg.
Okay.
And now you're gonna do the same thing, roll to your stomach, leading with your right leg. Okay, now you're going to attempt to roll to your back, leading with your right arm only. And the same thing, you're going to attempt to roll onto your back, leading with your left arm only. Try to not use your lower extremities for any help. For this roll, you're going to lead with your right leg only. Go ahead.
Oh god. I don't even know how to.
All right, you're going to roll onto your back, leading with your left leg only.